everybody. I am making chicken noodle soup with homemade noodles. So I will post a recipe up here. I made the egg noodles. They are definitely dried now. I made them this morning and they've been sitting all day, so they are ready to go. So I'm going to start by adding 1 cup of water to the Instant Pot. And I have 4 chicken breasts that I'm going to put in there. And I'm going to put it on 10 minutes and then pressure release for 10 minutes. Alright, so I have my Ninja blender with the food processor attachment. I have a half of an onion. I'm going to chop all my vegetables up with this today instead of hand chopping it. I have 5 celery stalks. I have 4 carrots. I'm going to cut them up pretty small. Perfect. I put in 2 tablespoons of butter. Now my butter is melted. I'm going to add in the vegetables. It shouldn't take very long to get tender because they aren't very big. So the vegetables are now tender. Now I'm going to add in 3 garlic cloves. My chicken just got done. I just turned it onto the steaming. Let all the steam out of it. It wasn't much because it vented for 10 minutes. So now I'm going to put this on low. I'm going to add in 9 cups of low sodium broth. It's also fat free. So each container has 4 servings for 1 cup. So there's 4 cups in 1 container. I'm going to let that come up to a boil, and then I'll add the noodles. I'm going to put it into a bowl, and I'm going to mix it with a hand mixer. If you don't have a hand mixer, you can use 2 forks, but I like to save time, and just save a lot of time using a hand mixer. Just beware, because it does fling. Easy shredded chicken. It didn't take me much time at all. I didn't have to sit there and comb it apart with 2 forks. I'm going to add the chicken in. I'm still waiting for it to get up to a boil before I add the noodles in. I'm going to add in some seasonal, garlic powder, a little oregano, a little bit of basil, and some poultry seasoning. So it's slowly starting to come up to a boil. I'm going to add in small handfuls at a time of the noodles so they don't all stick together. You just want to do it slowly, stir it around. And the flour from these noodles will also thicken the soup up a little bit, and it's going to absorb a lot of that liquid, so you're not going to have like you're going to have more like a hearty soup than a liquidy soup when it's all done. So I'm going to set the timer for about 15 to 20 minutes. And we're just kind of eyeball the noodles until they get really tender and absorb most of the liquid. Been 15 minutes, and as you can see, the liquid cooked down. And now this is what the noodles look like. The fun thing about making them homemade is you can play around with the size or the shape. If you like them thicker, you can cut them bigger. If you like them this size, cut them about 1/4 of an inch. It's a nice, delicious, thick soup. I hope y'all enjoyed my chicken noodle soup recipe, and I hope you try it, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.